If you've installed the days theme and you notice that blog posts are missing on some of the pages and it says no posts in some of the areas, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Let's go to Edit Page. We're going to scroll down to where we see the no posts and we're just going to click this area right here. Let's remove the category and let's add it back just to reset it. And then we're going to update. View the page. And now you can see that post is back. So you can do that with any area you see where the posts are not displaying. Sometimes this also happens with shop products, and you would just do the same thing. You would go in and reselect your category. So if this area said no products, you would just go in here and select your category again.